Every premium material begins with carefully managed livestock. Health inspections ensure every stage begins with strict quality standards. Careful transportation protects both animal welfare and material quality. The journey continues toward one of the industry's most advanced processing facilities. Every arrival follows carefully controlled receiving procedures. Stress-free handling supports consistent processing quality. Each animal is documented before entering the production system. Strict biosecurity protects every stage of production. Beyond these doors, precision manufacturing begins. Modern engineering transforms every valuable material with precision from the very first step. Every production cycle begins inside a fully sanitized environment. Thorough cleaning preserves the natural quality of every horn. Clean, raw hides form the foundation of luxury leather production.
Only carefully selected materials continue through the manufacturing process.
Automation ensures consistent grading with remarkable precision. Automation ensures consistent grading with remarkable precision. Gentle preparation protects the horn's natural structure. Precision preparation creates a uniform foundation for premium leather. Now the true transformation begins, where raw materials become luxury products. Now the true transformation begins, where raw materials become luxury products. Precision cutting prepares every horn for luxury craftsmanship. Controlled conditioning ensures long-term durability. Chemical preparation begins the transformation of raw hide. Every movement preserves the integrity of premium leather. Consistency is measured in fractions of a millimeter. Technology enhances nature without replacing its character. Balanced preparation creates the foundation for exceptional leather. Every surface is refined to reveal its natural beauty. Every surface is refined to reveal its natural beauty. Raw materials have been transformed into precision components, ready for advanced manufacturing. Controlled drying locks in strength while preserving natural flexibility. Raw materials have been transformed into precision components, ready for advanced manufacturing. Controlled drying locks in strength while preserving natural flexibility. Digital inspection ensures every detail meets exact specifications. Careful polishing reveals the horn's natural elegance. Every measurement reflects uncompromising manufacturing precision. Protective finishing preserves beauty for generations. Modern automation unites craftsmanship with industrial efficiency. The final stages transform refined materials into premium luxury products. Every cut balances efficiency with uncompromising quality. Clean edges define the craftsmanship behind every luxury product. Precision embossing transforms leather into a signature material. Every contour is perfected with measured precision. The natural beauty of the horn is revealed through careful finishing. Human expertise completes what automation begins. A protective finish ensures lasting performance and elegance. Independent materials now become luxury components. Before reaching the world, every product must prove its quality. Every premium product begins its final verification with complete traceability. Strength is measured with scientific precision. Every microscopic detail reflects manufacturing excellence. Every dimension must meet exact engineering standards. A flawless finish defines true luxury. Premium materials are tested against the demands of time. Only verified excellence earns final approval. Every product carries a complete manufacturing history. Approved materials are now ready for their final destination. The final chapter begins as premium products prepare for global shipment. Every shipment remains fully traceable from production to delivery. Every shipment is secured for long-distance transportation. Finished products wait under carefully controlled storage conditions. Digital inventory keeps every shipment ready on schedule. Global distribution begins with careful loading and secure transport. And this is how modern factories produce premium white horn and luxury leather from start to finish. Precision, craftsmanship, and technology come together in every finished product.
Thank you for joining this journey inside modern industrial manufacturing.